going on YouTube? It's your boy Gabe back with another video.
My name is Ashton.
And today we got us a new toy. We got Sky Tracker drone right here, GPS video drone, y'all. And we got this at our local Walmart. And what it is, what it does is it has 6-minute flight time, GPS enabled, 1,000 flight distance. So whether you're going up or down, side to side, you have 1,000 flight distance on it. What's inside is a quadcopter drone, icon coded controller, twist and lock legs, side and lock guardrail. Open it up. Open this up, guys, so you guys can see it.
There's a real drone.
This is what comes inside of the box. Extra propellers, USB cable, just in case your drone breaks. Then you have the drone itself. The drone itself. It's pretty lightweight, pretty good flying drone. You also get stop. Do not fly drone prior to complete the following. You also have the controller. And you also have
the charger.
Guardrails.
A few moments later. The next day.
What's going on, YouTube? It's the boys and Dad.
It's your boy Gabe.
My name is Ashton.
And we back again. Yesterday we started working on the drone. So we had to charge it. We had to get it put together. So today we're going to take it out on the flight. So here's the drone.
Got the remote right here.
And
The big giant remote.
The big giant remote. That remote almost big as your head, Ashton.
It's like almost this big.
And it looked like your eyes.
like these things, take them off and put on my eyes.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're back. We took the drone out for its first initial flight. and it was pretty good. It was a little windy today, but we did get some time with the drone. Ashton, we allowed him to fly the drone around, and what happened, bud?
I broke it.
You broke it. How did you break it?
Because I crashed it into the wall.
You crashed it into the wall, right?
Yeah, me
But it's
too,
a-
right. Okay.
You didn't mean to? You sure?
No, I'm not sure.
So he didn't mean to do it, but it worked out pretty well today. Get the drone. So until next video, peace out.
Peace.
Yeah, y'all.